Good morning, students. Today let us see class 8, page number 91. Exercise 4.1, third bit. Simplify. Let us simplify 2 square into 3 power of 2 by 2 power of minus 2 into 3 power of minus 1. See here, 2 square we should write as it is. What is the next number? 3 square. 2 power of minus 2. 1 by 2 power of minus 2. We can use by the formula 1 by a power of minus n equals to a power of n. So here 1 by 2 power of minus 2 we can write it as 2 square into 3 square into 3 power of minus 1 as it is. Just you see, when bases are same, 2 and 2 are same, we can add the powers. 2 plus 2 into 3 power of 2. 2 plus minus 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 power of 4 into 3 power of 2. Plus into minus is minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 power of 4 equals to how much? 16. 2 multiplied for 4 times, we get answer 16. Into 3 power of 1. Nothing but 3. Equals to how much? 48. Let us see second problem. What is the question here? 4 power of minus 1 into 3 power of minus 1 divided by 6 power of minus 1. See 4 power of minus 1. See the formula here? Same as this. A power of minus n equals to 1 by a power of n. So here 1 by a to the power of n. Here also 1 by 4 power of 1, nothing but 4, into 1 by 3 power of 1, nothing but 3, divided by 1 by 6. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, how much? 1 into 1 is 1, 4 into 3 is 12. Division changes to multiplication and reciprocal of 1 by 6 is 6 by 1 or 6. Now 166 by 12, 6 1 6 and 6 2 is 12 equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write it as 2 power of minus 1. Let us see next problem. This is third bit. Let us see fourth bit. Okay. Now let us see page number 91, exercise 4.1, fourth bit. Simplify and give reasons. What is the question here? 4 power of 0 plus 5 power of minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. 4 power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So 4 power of 0 also 1. 5 power of minus 1. A power of minus n we can write as 1 by a power of n. So here we can write 1 by 5 power of 1, nothing but 5, into 5 square, nothing but 5 multiplied for 2 times, it is 25 by 3. Now LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 5 ones 5 plus 1 by 5 into 25 by 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 5 into 25 by 3. See here cancellation, 3 ones 3, 3 2 6, 5 ones 5, 5 5 is 25. What are the remaining numbers? 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 5 is 10. Now let us go to the second bit of fourth problem. 1 by 2 whole power of minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole power of minus 3. See, all the 3 powers minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 are same. Okay, but bases are different. So here, when bases are different, powers are same, total number will have same power. See, A, B, C will have the same power. Similarly, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 totally will have the same power of minus 3. Now just you see 2 4 is 8, 8 5 is 40. 1 by 40 whole power of minus 3. It is just like formula. See here minus 3 is the power for 1 as well as 40. 1 power of any number of power is 1 and remaining is 40 power of minus 3. By using the formula 1 by a power of minus n equals to a power of n. A power of positive number. So here 40 power of 3. 40 power of 3 is the answer. Let us see next problem. Let us go to the third problem. Page number 91, exercise 4.1, question 4th bit, third and fourth problem. Let us see. 2 power of minus 1 plus 3 power of minus 1 plus 4 power of minus 1 into 3 by 4. Any number to the power of minus 1. See here, a power of minus 1 minus n equals to 1 by a power of n. So here 1 by 2 power of 1, nothing but 2. 1 by 3 power of 1, nothing but 3. 1 by 4 power of 1, nothing but 4. 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. See, LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. See, in 2 table 12 comes, 3 table 12 comes and 4 table 12 comes. So, LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So, here 2 into which number is 12? 6. So, 6 into 1 is 6. 3 into 4 is 12. So, 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So, 3 into 1 is 3. So, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 divided by 12 into 3 by 4. 3 1 see, 3 4 is 12. So 13 was 13, 4 4 16 is the answer. See here, let us see fourth problem. 3 power of minus 2 by 3 into 3 power of 0 minus 3 power of minus 1. Just you see, any number to the power of 0 is 1. And a power of minus n we can write 1 by a power of n. So 3 power of minus 2 we can write 1 by 3 square into 3. Into 3 power of 0 is 1 minus a power of minus n is 1 by a power of n. Same like that, 1 by a power, 3 power of minus 1 is 1 by 3 power of 1. If the number does not have any power, what is the power? Then 1. So here, see here, bases are same. We can add powers. See here, when bases are same, we can add the powers. A power of m into a power of n equals to a power of m plus n. 1 by 3 power of 2 plus 1 into, see here, LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 3 ones 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 by 3 power of 3. See, 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 by 3. 2 ones 2. See, bases are same. We can add the powers. See, 3 and 3 bases are same. What is the power? 3 and 1. No power means 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 power of 4. 3 multiplied by 4 times. What we get? 81. So 2 by 81 is the answer. Let us go to next two problems of fourth. Let us see fifth and sixth problems of fourth. 1 plus 2 power of minus 1 plus 3 power of minus 1 plus 4 power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. See here, it is looking like the formula a power of minus n equals to 1 by a power of n. So here 2 power of minus 1 we can write it as 1 by 2 power of 1 plus 3 power of minus 1 we can write it as 1 by 3. See, just I am writing whole numbers one side, 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So here 2 into 3 is 6. So 3 ones 3. 3 2 6. So 2 ones 2. So 2 plus 3. So LCM of 6 and 1 is again 6. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 plus 3. How much? 2 plus 3 is 5. 12 plus 5 is 17 by 6 is the answer. Let us see the sixth problem. 3 by 2 whole power of minus 2 to the whole power of 2. See, negative power is there, then the total number goes to the denominator. 1 by 3 by 2 whole power of 2. By using the formula, a power of minus n equals to 1 by a power of n. So 1 by 3 by 2 whole power of 2. And this number changes to its reciprocal. 3 by 2 changes to 2 by 3 whole power of 2. See, a power of n whole power of n. If a number has power of power number, then the two powers should be multiplied, m into n. So here 2 into 2 is 4. 2 by 3 whole power of 4. See, if the total fraction has the power m, the numerator and denominator will have the same power, a power of m by b power of m. So 2 by 3 whole power of 4, we can write it as 2 power of 4 by 3 power of 4. 2 power of 4. 2 multiplied by 4 times what we get? 16. 3 multiplied by 4 times we get 18.